Can I mute someone in a group FaceTime call?
Hello, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're going to tackle an interesting topic related to Apple's group FaceTime calls. We'll be showing you how to mute someone during a group FaceTime call. It's a straightforward process, and we're going to walk you through it step by step.
Can you mute someone in a group FaceTime call?
The first question we need to answer is, can you actually mute someone in a group FaceTime call? Well, as of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, you can't directly mute a specific person in a FaceTime group call from your side. While FaceTime allows you to mute your own microphone, it doesn't have the feature to mute other individual participants. This doesn't mean that you're out of options if someone's background noise is disrupting your call, though. There are a few workarounds that can help you manage the situation.
What are the available workarounds?
Mute your own audio. The first and easiest option is to mute your own audio. If someone on the call is causing too much noise, you can simply mute your own audio until the noise stops. Here's how you can do this. 1. During the FaceTime call, locate the control panel, usually at the bottom of the screen. 2. Find the mute button. It looks like a microphone. 3. Tap the mute button. You'll know it worked if the button turns red. Ask the noisy participant to mute themselves. The second option is a more direct approach. Ask the noisy participant to mute themselves. This is a common practice in online meetings and group calls. Simply ask the person causing the noise to mute their microphone until they need to speak. Using noise cancellation software. The third option involves using noise cancellation software. These applications can help filter out background noise, improving the overall audio quality of your call. Please note that using such software might require additional hardware or software installation. So, while it's not directly possible to mute someone else in a group FaceTime call, we do have a few options at our disposal. Remember, it's all about ensuring a good call experience for everyone involved, so don't hesitate to kindly ask someone to mute themselves if their background noise is disruptive. That's all for today. We hope this video has been helpful, and happy FaceTiming!